Hello, today we're talking about clutter, and the thing that I want you to do about your clutter is make decluttering your clutter a habit. You don't have to sit down and formally declutter for 15 minutes, all day long. That should be happening 4 times a week, 4 15-minute units. If you're a Patreon on Saturday, 4 units together, 1 hour in a zone. But every day, every time you pass through a room, pick it up, don't pass it up. The difference between people who are tidy and people who are cluttered is that they have a good habit of picking up their things. They don't throw things on the floor. They don't leave things on the table. They don't not hang up their coat. They have a habit of picking it up, not passing it up. So today, start practicing. Pick it up, don't pass it up. Have a great day.